Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Terrence Ray back at you with another stock market update. It is Sunday, March 10th, and the futures market is rocking and rolling as we got the open of the futures market, which is it's kind of slow right now. It's flat. It was all red when I stepped on, but the Dow futures got an uptick right now, and the S&P 500 futures are flat. They're literally right where they open. Let's get right to it. This week, what I notice is on the SPX, the S&P 500 index, we have an elevated expected move, and I get that from the option chain. So the weekly for this week, we're showing $70.20. I think last week it was something like $52, and then like the last week before that has been about 50. So the previous, like for the past 3 or 4 months, it's been just drifting higher. And the expected move has been like right around 50, 50 buck, 50, $55 the past few weeks. And now with us having an elevated expected move, now that doesn't mean that it's going to go up or down. That's just saying that the option market is pricing in an expected move of $70 up and or down. So we would be within this range. Anything within here, it would be on par for the week, standard deviation move according to the TastyTrade metrics. Um, Now, with that being said, with us expecting a larger move, I expect a little volatility this week. So this may be the week out of uh, all the other weeks for us to get some short movement. I mean, some short trades on if you know how to short. There are a couple of ways you can short naked stock if you're comfortable doing that, or you can short with options using spreads, or I like to use put spreads. So like something like if I was gonna do it, I probably do it in the SPY or the Qs, QQQ, and something where I come out maybe 33 days. I like to be right around 30 days, and about come one in the money, one out. Somewhat like an in and out spread, right? You do something like this. Pay 87 cents for it, with a max profit of 113. Basically, you're almost risking one to make one. That would be the way for me. And then if you want to do more contracts, you can just up the contracts or widen out the spread, however you want to do it. Now you can sell calls. I generally don't like to sell call spreads until I get the down move. So let's say we already got a big red engulfing candle on Friday. Let's say it continues down to take this low out. Now maybe on the pullback, then I might step in and sell, like maybe the 25 delta, buy this 19, something like this, a short call spread. And then try to take advantage of an elevated volatility to get bearish. I do think we'll see a little down move this week. I don't have a lot of stocks on my list that I like, other than I still like Coinbase. You guys can see every one of my levels when I did the video last week. We was here, and I think I did one what Wednesday or Thursday or something like that, and we had to gap up and we was right in here. And you can see, guys, it hit this level, and that level acted as resistance, pushed Coinbase back down. The next level up, which is there's one here, but I never trade to that one. Sometimes it goes there and it doesn't, but the next one up is right up here at 288. So we can, I'm not saying with every time the level goes hits one, your chances of it going up to the next one, from my experience, a little lower than before. But that is the next one. And I like Coinbase. As long as Bitcoin is on its tear, then I would think that Coinbase will continue to go. So that's one that I'll continue to watch. Moderna. This one popped up on my list. This is a new one that I'm adding. We got it showed up on a scan that I have. See it coming up right here out of this little range. If I put my indicators on, you'll see that it kind of chopped right here with these moving averages and then broke out of this range. Took this high out. So anywhere my stop, if I was buying this stock, my stop would be somewhere back here. I am gonna watch it and then see how it opens up on Monday as to see what to do. Everything is open that you have your full arsenal available to you in Moderna, just because you got the IV rank of 47, so you can sell options in here. Um, I don't think it's a bad move to necessarily be neutral. You can do whatever you want in here because you got the IV rank. It does have earnings coming up on May 2nd, but that's plenty of time from now to stay away from the earnings. The earnings was here. So anything from I probably would move and stay within the monthly if I was gonna do something right around 40 days. The strangle looks good. You can come out past one standard deviation, sell the 12 delta on the put side, maybe sell the 15 delta on the call side, then make the market beat you. Um, I like that trade. Or I like just selling the put. Coming right here, maybe selling the 29 delta just to get bullish, seeing it betting on this move continuing to go up. But I like the chart here. I like the little setup, how we start to get the higher highs. And ultimately, we're looking for the next level is to take this out right here. I don't have any fib levels over here, but we have some dating all the way back to November. And the next level up, if it's going to take out these highs, is going to be up here right around 128. Let's take a look at in phase has been on the list. I took some other ones off, but in phase has been there. And I actually have been tracking in phase for a while, especially on the intraday chart. Hit the first level, pull back, hit the second level, pull back. Now my third level right here, intraday wise, for in phase is going to be right around 141. So I like it. Let's see what it does. We continue to momentum wise. Eh, I'm just measuring to see if I got any divergence in the momentum. Not quite there. And then the SPY. If we look at the SPY, we go to the daily. We will see that the SPY actually hit this level right here. I talked about this in the video, the last video that I did about that level right there, 518. Watch my last video. I basically called it. We got there and it rejected. Now, like I said, with an elevated um, expected move this week for the S&P 500, you could take that many ways. I take that as more volatility being pumped into the options, which is what that represents. And we should see, some larger swings this week. So this may be a great week to do some scalping. I would keep my size small, and we'll see how the market goes and how my week goes. I would like to get a live session going this week. I got some stuff going on with family, but we're gonna try to work that out. And if I can get some time out to come on live, because this is one of them weeks where I think we're gonna get some movement. You might be able to get a little some decent day trading opportunities, some scalping opportunities. Um, but I would, as usual, try to stay small, stay within your range. And I do have some shorts that I wanted to talk about. Is one potential short that I like before I get off, and that's with Toll Brothers. Popped up. I got a scan that I run, and this one popped up. So you can see we got a high chop here and a high. We got a doji candle right here. That right, I can I wanna short this right out the bat. I got the RSI is overbought, stochastic is overbought. And what I would like to do a put spread in here. In and out put spread. I'm gonna see how the market opens. I would like to buy this 122, sell out, sell to 120. Now it's showing 138, but it's only showing that because the market is closed. So I wouldn't pay no more than a buck for this. If I can't get it for a buck, maybe a buck 05, then I wouldn't do this trade at all. Maybe I would move it down if I had to, try to work it. But I will be looking at Toll Brothers. I'm gonna see how it opens up. If it opens up down, then I won't take the short. I'm gonna try to look. I'd rather it open up and then short into it while it's going up. So we'll see. That's something that it popped up in the scan, and I think it's right before a little put spread. Not nothing too dangerous, but we'll see. We'll see how the market opens up. If I do it, I'll probably make a post, about it. Do a quick video or a short or something like that. But hey, guys, if you got something out of this video, make sure you hit the like button. Share my videos wherever you see them at. Heart them whatever platform you see them on. Give me a comment, give me a shout out, and keep supporting me, please. I appreciate it. I'm out.